Okay guys, so step one, new year, new me. It's currently like 4:30 and we're on our way to the gym. Yeah, okay. New year, new me. It is technically December 31st, but like, you know what, you're not seeing this till the new year, January 1st, so therefore it's new year, new me. But yeah, we are on our way to the gym. Okay, that was on my list of resolutions. Oh my god, okay. Alright guys, next step to new year, new me. Being new year, new me is looking rough. I'm feeling sad. Okay, so basically I had a couple New Year's resolutions that I had already, but like I couldn't think of the rest of them. So I just looked up some stuff. I'm on this website. Here are 9 new year, new me ideas. Okay, move your body more, feel your feelings more. Yes! I'm actually 19. I'm independent, got my own. I can fuck some cash up if I want to. Ooh, throwing that thing from left, right. Hey guys, so another New Year's resolution that I have is making new friends. So we're gonna go make some friends. So yeah, someone else to be my friend. Hey, you wanna be friends? Hey, you wanna be friends? Oh yeah, okay. Oh, yeah. You know, you wanna be my friend? Hi.
Okay.
Alright y'all, so the next thing on my New Year's resolution, new year, new me, sis, is eating healthy. Because I'm going to the gym, so you know, we have to like do both of them together. So yeah. I'm good. So we got chips.
Good, I didn't ask how you were. I asked what you're doing.
What?
I said I didn't ask how you were. I asked what you were doing.
No, I'm eating
What are you eating?
these chips.
Me too.
Oh my god, wow, so cool. Wow, eating healthy is so fun. You know, new year, same me. Yeah guys, that is gonna finish the video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I just want to wish all you guys a happy new year, and I hope you guys have a good new year. This video was all jokes, so please do not take it personal. Yeah, it was jokes. So yeah, some of them is actually my resolutions though. So yeah, it's not really like resolutions, it's more like things I want to get into the habit of doing. So yeah, but I just want to again wish you guys a happy new year. And if you guys have any resolutions, I hope that you guys achieve them, and I hope that you get what you want. No, like actually like work hard and get on that grind. But you know what, sis, like 2019 is everyone's year, okay? We're about to hit that grind hard, y'all. Yeah, so I love you guys. Don't forget to love yourself. And until next time, I will see y'all later. Peace out. Girl Scout.